Easter is right around the corner, so I thought I would make a healthier version of a sweet chocolate treat. Stay tuned. Hi, my name is Katrina. Welcome to the Organixx channel, where we really know that true wealth is directly related to your health, and it really all starts in the kitchen. So today we're going to be making chocolate almond butter cups. In a mixing bowl or your food processor, add in 1 cup of almond butter, peanut butter, or your favorite seed butter. Next, let's add 2 tablespoons of powdered Lakanto. So you always want to make these recipes really work for you and your individual needs, and you can substitute this with your preferred sweeteners such as maple syrup, honey, stevia, coconut sugar. All of them will work great. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for flavor, so you can completely omit this if you want to. 1/2 teaspoon of either pink Himalayan or sea salt. Now, if you're using a nut butter or seed butter that already has salt included, you may want to omit this too. Process or stir up your ingredients. This is a great time to give your mixture a little taste to see if you need to add in any more sweetener or salt. And now for some fun add-ins. I'm going to add 1/4 cup of raw cacao nibs, which are simply made out of cacao beans that have been broken up into pieces. And cacao beans are really high in antioxidants, and what antioxidants do is they may help prevent damage to your cells, which then helps to prevent diseases such as Alzheimer's, heart disease, and even cancer. And 1/4 cup of unsweetened shredded coconut. Now these add-ins are completely up to you, so get really creative. You could use some chopped up nuts or seeds or dried fruit or even puffed rice. So again, really make these recipes work for you and your taste. Stir up everything really well and then set it aside. In your double boiler or a makeshift one, which is super easy to do, just take a pot, fill it up with about 1 inch of water on the bottom and bring it to a boil, and top it with a glass bowl, making sure that it's sealed all around the sides, otherwise steam is just going to come up everywhere. I've done it before, it's not that fun. Okay, so to your double boiler, let's add in 8 ounces of your favorite dark or milk chocolate bar. I'm going to be using the Lily's brand because it's sweetened only with stevia, but certainly use what works for you. 2 tablespoons of coconut oil or grass-fed butter or ghee. You just don't want to use an oil like avocado or olive oil simply because they're harder to set. This last ingredient is optional. I'm going to add in 1 scoop of our chocolate bone broth powder, and this is so good in helping support your digestion and gut health, and it may also help with your immune function. Melt your chocolate up, stirring frequently. In either a paper-lined muffin tin or a silicone mold, you're going to want to add in about 1 teaspoon of this melted chocolate into each of the cups. If you don't want your almond butter to show, then you simply just want to swirl the chocolate up the sides, and you can either use your finger or a knife. I find it really easy just to take my finger and swirl it around. Super easy. And then once you're done with the chocolate, you want to set it in your refrigerator for about 10 minutes to let the chocolate harden. Add in 1 tablespoon of your almond mixture into each cup. Flatten it out just a bit, and then top with the remaining melted chocolate, again about 1 teaspoon worth. Place your tin back into the refrigerator and let it set and harden completely. This can take anywhere from 1 to 2 hours. Let's give these a taste. That is so satisfying. It's not super sweet, but it's very fulfilling when you eat it. I love the extra crunch those cacao nibs gave it, and I can taste just a little bit of the coconut. Chocolate's a little bit melty when you hold it in your hand, so be sure you store them in the refrigerator. These are so good, and you can get really creative with them. You can put a little bit more filling in it or less filling, just depends on what you like and how you think it will taste good. Give these ones a try. Thanks for being with me today. I appreciate you and would love to hear from you. So leave your thoughts in the comments section below. And be sure to join me next week for another fun and healthy recipe in the kitchen.